Hey guys, what's up? It's Jim. It's day 15 of the Net30 Project. Uh, at the end of today, we'll be halfway through, so I think it's a good time to stop and check in and kind of have a midterm report card, I guess, or evaluation. And I've been thinking about it a lot. And looking back on it, I can really say that we've accomplished quite a bit. We're basically having to deal with three different completely new structures. Right? The first one is the team because we've never worked together as a team before, so we have to figure out how to do that. And we all have our different situations. I mean, Chris and Sean both have jobs that require their attention, and Sean has a family. Sean lives in Dallas. Chris and I live here in Chicago, and we're not exactly next door neighbors, so it's not like we can see each other every day um, to work. And so we're basically kind of all telecommuting and doing this through email and as many conference calls as we can fit in while trying to balance everything else out. So that's the first thing that we're dealing with. And the second thing is the business itself, right? I mean, we just came up with the idea like 14 days ago, and it's evolving every single day as we mature in our thinking about the idea and our marketing strategies, and we overcome legal obstacles and all of these different situations. So it's really something. That's something I think we expected, but the third thing, which is the game itself, I'm not so sure we did expect because we're developing the Net30 project as an entrepreneurial game. The idea is that this isn't just something for us, but it's something where once we can make a couple of dry runs, we really want to turn this into an entrepreneurial competition. And so we want to start bringing in other teams. And really, I think it would be great if we could bring this into middle schools and high schools and really start providing a context where kids could learn entrepreneurial skills because God knows they're not going to learn it in school. So, there's the Net30 project itself, which we're trying to build. And we're constantly assessing it. Do these constraints make sense? Should we add extra constraints? Are there things that should be set up beforehand, right? Um, and that's a huge thing, right? There are three big things that we are creating as we go in the last 15 days. I mean, that's very significant, and I think we've done a good job. I really do. I think we've accomplished a lot of stuff. I really think we're getting past the first phase where it's a lot of just grunt work and trying to figure stuff out with very little reward. And now we're getting to the phase, the tipping point, if you will, where we're actually starting to get some sort of commensurate reward for the work that we put in. And hopefully by the end of the month, things will just be clicking, and we'll hit that third stage. That's the plan. So right now we're working on marketing for the website. So we're working on a YouTube video that we can spread on YouTube. Hopefully get that thing to go viral, so we can start to generate a lot of traffic. And then we're also looking at advertising campaigns on like Google and Facebook and and areas like that. Some other creative ideas as far as bringing that in. Sean's also working on finding sponsors and people to help us monetize. So that's what we're looking at now. Day 15, halfway through. Pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with where we're at. So we'll try to keep you guys as posted as possible. So stay in touch, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.